Hi, good morning. It's July 28th, 20. I'm here in our project. Let's see what's the progress. And now we got all our 20 millimeter bars. We have some old gravel still. We have some more. But for now, we're not gonna use that because we're gonna use ready mix concrete for the beams and the slab that they're working on right now. But I got more tubulars and our 20 millimeter for the second floor and for the ground floor beams. So right now they're now putting the form for the slabs. They're trying to salvage some of the forms that we've used before. So this is now our openings for the stairs from the basement going to the ground floor. So far they're making no progress. So we're using tubulars to support the slabs, slab form on the level of ground floor, so I can see the beach much better. My phone got some taco from the market, and I think this is more durable compared to this one that I bought. Today we did oh yes, the other day we went to Wilcon Depot to check on the lavatories and jacuzzis, and we found one which is not too expensive for the jacuzzi, and we measured where it's gonna be in, because the basement and the ground floor are symmetrical, so we were able to measure it. So it's 1.8 meters wide, long, so we were gonna be able to fit it in. So we just have to do some modifications from the plan, and we'll be able to put in the jacuzzi. So this area is symmetrical to the ground floor level. So this is where we're gonna put, on the ground floor, where we're gonna put the jacuzzi. And this is the deck area right now. This is where we're gonna put the balcony. We're gonna extend the beams, these 3 beams over here, so that we have a better support for the cantilever balcony. And even here at the basement level, you can see the beach well cut. Olet wanted to get the tree cut off so that you can see the beach much better. So right now we're still working on the support. I think probably we need some more clamps and some shoring jack, so at least we'll be able to purchase it from the guy that we bought all these scaffoldings. It's actually shoring jack is much cheaper, because it's 150 per piece compared to the one that I was renting, which is 50 per piece just to rent it. And anyway, you can still save a lot of money, because when I computed the rental, it's gonna be about 1.2 million in a span of 2 years. So I decided just to buy my own concrete mixer and the scaffolding, because I only paid less than 100,000. So I saved a lot of money from that. So this is the turf that we bought. from the market. It looks more durable. Feeling is much better down here. It's much cooler with a little breeze coming from the ocean. On this area, even though you're the lowest level, I can still see the beach. Especially if they can be able to trim all those trees in front of us. So there's still so much work to do. Just take one day at a time. Going down the fourth level where we're putting the plunge pool, and then the lanai, so, and then the water tank. So my foreman suggested just to finish the floor over here and cover this with concrete hollow blocks, and I'm planning to store our SRC here when I ordered it. So probably maybe next month or the following month we'll be able to order the SRC so that we can start working on the basement walls. I can't wait till they move here so I don't have to pay for the ballots. So when they get a chance, they're just gonna take out all this shoring job because the concrete is over 28 days now, so it's fully cured. And that is it.